Hi guys, I would call this an autopsy, but YouTube doesn't like that. They flag that as unsuitable for advertisers. So we'll call it a examination. This is a good example of why I don't like fast cars. This is my fastest car, but it's had rather a nasty accident. Front end is well smashed up. We front-ended into something pretty solid at top speed twice. I did it once, it seemed to be alright, now I did it again. And the steering has come off somewhat bad. So we'll have a look inside and see what we can see if anything is salvageable. Right, we've got a bit of body work there. Well, to be honest, although that's bad enough, it's not quite as bad as I thought it was. Yes it is, yeah. Okay, so that bit's broken, and all the bottom edge here is broken away. Screwdriver. Yeah, this bottom plate here, the bumper bit, is the bit that's supposed to protect it all. But I think we hit pretty hard. Like I say, twice. I don't know if the camera caught it at all, because we had an onboard camera, but that was rearward facing, and that one usually dies pretty quickly anyway. Last couple of times I've used it, it's just died after 30 seconds. It runs all right when I test it, but when I put it on the car, for some reason it just dies. Right. I suspect that bit there isn't supposed to be there because it's screwed in place. Yeah, I can see now. That bit there clips on there, should be there. I could try super gluing it, but I think we're on a loser there. That's the main body shell or chassis. It's broken there, should be under there. There, it's split up the middle. And that is one of the struts. Is that broken? No, that's not broken. That goes up inside the that tube on the suspension. Yeah, that's the same on that side. Well, yeah, I honestly don't think super glue is going to fix that. Get it the right way round. Well, I will super glue it. But I don't think it'll last very long. Still, so that's the result of today's outrun with my Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, or McLaren SLR Mercedes-Benz, depending on which way round you want to say it. New bright. I'm not sure what year this one is. It's quite an old one. When people saw my original video of this, they were saying this is when New Bright actually did good cars, rather than the sort of lightweight ones they seem to do nowadays. Yeah, I'll get the super glue out to see if there's anything we can put back together.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.